So in today's video, I'm going to show you how to do the rainbow effect. This is my iPad and this is my Instagram stories. I've just taken a picture of some of my trainers just for demonstration purposes. So first thing is you need the picture up, and then to get the rainbow effect, what you need to do is obviously write down your whatever words you want. So I'm going to write fave trainers. I find that it works out really well if you put strong on, because then it's more obvious. Okay, so what you have to do is you have to select all. Okay, so it's all selected, and here comes the tricky bit. You have to use 2 fingers and you have to select a colour and press either that side or that side. I'm going to do purple, so I'm going to do this side. It's easier than sort of stretching my fingers across. So like this, and then you move across like that. Okay, cool, isn't it? So done. I'm going to move it up, make it bigger, turn it. Fave trainers. Another way you can do it is I'm going to write cool. I'm going to write, so what you could do now is you can just select a colour. So maybe you want to have different shades of blue or different shades of green. So do the same thing, select all, press the green and the edge of the highlight, and then push the green up. So I'm changing. Okay, so it doesn't always work and it is really hard to do. I did that wrong, so let's do it again. Be careful not to go onto the, there it is, finally. God. So you have to be careful not to go, when you're drawing your finger up, you have to be careful not to go on the photo, otherwise it will just ruin it. That's how you get the rainbow green effect and then normal effect. I hope you like this. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more videos.